How to recover deleted videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once inside the app, you will see all your photos and videos. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section at the bottom. Within Utilities, tap on the Recently Deleted album to view the deleted items. You have to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to access the recently deleted folder. This folder contains all photos and videos deleted in the last 30 days. Now, tap on the video you wish to restore. Tap the Recover button located at the bottom right corner, and then select Recover Video in the pop-up to confirm. You can go back to the main photo library and see the video is now restored there. Following these simple steps, you can easily recover deleted videos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.